Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good morning, all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Thursday, August 2nd, 2018, just getting past 9:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Now, before I get too far, I am going to take a one-week vacation. So from Friday, starting tomorrow through next Friday, I will not be putting out my videos. I'm adios, enjoying myself for a week. Going to do my best to stay away from the markets and just freshen, cleanse my soul, as they say. So please look for me on August 13th. I'll be back, and that's where we go. But I will have up a little message if you ever come and you look for it and say I was going to be there on the 13th. All right, we're still very much caught in the war of words with China telling the U.S., calm down, calm down. You can't get yourself into a tizzy and keep talking. You're going to do this to us and that to us and expect us to talk to you. So there we go. Like all the movies we saw, the very wise Chinamen, and they are there. There's an element to that. What they don't get is that the bulldog in the room isn't going to stop. He's just going to keep coming. So you're seeing a mixed bag today. You're certainly seeing, Tesla had great numbers at the end of the day, so the NASDAQ got two good stories out of that. Russell found an area to bounce. The gold market went for new lows on this particular move. In fact, all the metals are in trouble, but they're not collapsing either. The fact that China is even just saying, hey, that's not going to get the thing done, there's no threats in there. They're going to tell you, if you do something, we're going to retaliate. There's a limit to how much retaliatory talk can take place. And you hope out of it all, everybody just starts breathing heavier and says, okay, maybe this isn't worth it. Can we just talk and you give something and we give something? That's what you're hoping. In the foreign currency market, the dollar reigns supreme. It's pretty simple. The Bank of England did go ahead and the vote was unanimous to raise interest rates. And yet, here's the market down 90 points. You heard me. Because nobody believes that it can stay in place. That's number one. Their economy got problems. But generally, you raise an interest rate, you go the other way. I learned a long time ago, even what you think is a lock-in is never a lock-in. Soybean market down again because of Chinese trade. Wheat up again because of more and more problems with the actual wheat crop itself around the world. It's not a U.S. condition only. This is around the world. And as that plays out, there is no number. Could it be a $7 number? I know you're thinking I'm crazy. I've said to you, wheat is a food. You get to corn, animal feed for soybeans. That doesn't mean some people can't make it into something. Wheat's a whole different world. Wheat can be an animal food, but it's a people food, and that's something to watch. You take a look over here as you're on these parts of the bonds and the notes. The market still, it's hard to get, bullish on them, thinking that they're going to raise interest rates again just another 3 months from now. A little bit of a bounce finally out of both the Brent and the crude oil markets. You came down to the 18-day average in this market. The natural gas found support and getting a bounce from it, and that's about all that can be said there. So it's an interesting morning. One that looks to be offering an awful lot for everybody on some level, but we'll see where it carries us. Again, I will not be back on this morning broadcast until August 13th. I will be putting out the regular evening updates tonight, the afternoon updates. I'll look for you there. Good luck, good trading. I'm going fishing. Take care.